Now in this chapter 2D shape means what? We have to see a shapes that can be drawn on a flat surface is called 2D shape. On flat surface, if you draw something on flat surface, that is called 2D shape. Like this is the flat surface. If you draw this shape like this, see, this is the 2D shape. This is the 2D shape. See, a shapes that can be drawn on a flat surface is called a 2D shape. Say in that we have to know about things, that is the sides and corner. What is meant by side and what is meant by corner? Side, a straight line that form a 2D shape are known as sides of that form. Straight lines that forms a 2D shape are known as the sides of the shape. Means see, this is the straight line. Yes, so it is called sides. It is called side. Then regarding corner, the point where two sides meet are known as the corner. जहाँ पे दो लाइन एक जगह पे मिलती है, उस कॉर्नर, उस जगह से हम क्या कहते हैं? कॉर्नर. लाइक दिस, सी, दिस इज द कॉर्नर. वी कैन से दिस इज द कॉर्नर. अंडरस्टूड अबाउट दिस? सी, अगेन वन टाइम आई विल एक्सप्लेन about this. A shapes that can be drawn on flat surface is called 2D shape. ये को यहाँ पे flat surface पे हमने draw किया है, that is the 2D shape. Now in that side and corner we have to see. First side, straight lines that form a 2D shape. जहाँ पे straight line होती है वो 2D shape form करते हैं, are known as sides. देखो यहाँ पे, this is straight line, this is straight line, this is also and this is also. So it is straight line. Now about corner, the point where two sides meet are known as corner. जहाँ पे दो sides एक दूसरे को मिलती है, उस जगह को हम क्या कहते हैं? corner. So this here, ये लाइन यहाँ से आई और ये लाइन यहाँ से गई. So it is called corner. I hope you understood very well. In next video we will see about different shapes and their properties. So thank you everyone. I am Sitaram Karad. We have completed subtraction chapter, that is chapter number 4th. Today we have to start new chapter, that is shapes. Okay, you know everyone, shapes in our geometry section. What is in my shapes? It is the angle, sometimes sides, sometimes we can see different types of shapes like 2D shape, 3D shape or shadow. These all are called shapes. In the chapter first we have to see the first point, that is I will show you regarding 2D shape, 2D shape and their properties. Okay, see, what is meant 2D? D means two dimensional. D means two dimensional, or like our film, 3D film and 2D film. Yes, same things regarding here. I would like to say you here about this 2D shape means what and 3D shape means what. All these things today we have to see in this chapter. First of all, we will see about 2D shape. In that first point we have to see square. Square, you know everyone, square. I will show here about square. See, this is the square. Now you can easily identify about square properly. A square has first point 4 sides. How many sides? 4 sides. See, this is the one, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth side. Then how many sides? 4 sides. Then 4 corner, 4 corner. How many corner? 4. See, this is the 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is the 4. How many corners? 4 corners, 4 sides. Then about this, all sides are equal. Sides are equal. All sides are equal. Understood about this? See, this is the square. Square has 4 sides, 4 corner. How many? 4 sides, 4 corner. And see, side this and this means this is the 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. And corner also same, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's why square has 4 sides and 4 corner. Understood about this? Yeah. Now next point we will see here. Okay. In this rectangle, next point is rectangle. In what is the rectangle? See here. With the help of this diagram you can easily understand what is meant by rectangle. Okay, I will show you rectangle. A rectangle has how many sides? Anyone can tell? Yes. How many sides? 4 sides. How many sides? 4 sides. Then how many corners? Corners also 4. How many corners? 4 corners. Now got this about this? See, first of all sides 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many sides? 4 sides. Then 4 corner. Corner are here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it has 4 sides and 4 corners. Understood about this? Now only about this, rectangle has opposite side equal. What? Opposite sides are equal. कौन सी साइड इक्वल होती है रेक्टेंगल की? अपोजिट. सी हियर इन दिस डायग्राम, दिस एंड दिस आर इक्वल, दिस एंड दिस आर equal. So opposite sides are equal in rectangle, but in square all sides are equal. Now understood about this? What is in the rectangle? I hope you understood about this point. Okay. Now in this, that is triangle. Triangle. In the name of this, tri means what? Triangle. Triangle means triangle. Then see what is meant by triangle. We will see. See, this is the triangle. Why it is called triangle? Because of here 3 angles and 3 sides. I will show you here about this. A triangle has first point in that 3 sides. How many sides? 3 sides. Then how many corner? How many? 3 corner. How many corners? 3 corners. See, this is a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Maybe sides are equal or unequal. That is the depend on the triangle. Okay, see, 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many sides? 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. How many angle? Angle are here. 1, 2 and 3. Understood about this? These sides and these angles. So triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. I hope you understood about this triangle also. Yes, is it correct? Yeah, done. Now next we have to see in this point circle. We will see okay. Now next point we will see in this shape circle. You know circle, everyone? This is the circle. So a circle has, what is the property of circle? Circle has no side, no sides, no corner. सर्कल हैज़ नो साइड्स नो कॉर्नर. कहीं पे आपको साइड दिखाई दे रही है यहाँ पे? नहीं. कहीं पे कॉर्नर दिखाई दे रहा है? नहीं. सो सर्कल हैज़ नो साइड्स, नो कॉर्नर, नो एंगल, नथिंग. जस्ट इट विल बी द वन सर्कल. इन सर्कल देर आर वन रेडियस एंड diameters, or these things will be including in circle. Other things will not include, like sides and corner. Understood about this? Yeah, I hope you understood about this. Good. Now regarding oval, same. Oval means what? We will see in this point. Same. I will show you about oval. Same, like circle and oval are same, just difference between in both, that is their diagram. Like this, oval are like this. This is the oval. See, no sides, no corner. ओवल में साइड्स और कॉर्नर होती है क्या? नथिंग. कीप इन योर माइंड. अंडरस्टूड अबाउट दिस? ओके, I hope you understood about this very well. Yeah.